AIT was instrumental in actually automating a lot of what Spencer's operational processes were. They would layer in their expertise and basically say, yeah, you could do that, but you're also going to do this, this, and this, and you'll get that out of it. It's been life-altering.
We can actually see what's going on. We can analyze the sales. We can analyze the cost.
Literally within hours of closing the month, I know what my EBITDA is. We've been able to, improve our profitability by 12 times in a matter of 18 months.
With AIT, you're getting a well-rounded, very experienced team that's easy to work with, will understand your business and give you a deliverable that is beyond your expectations.
If I were to go to a new company tomorrow and I needed to work on some business challenges, AIT would be the first guys I call.